We'll get into the video in just a moment, but first, a 30-second announcement. What if the secret to living your best life is realizing that you're not fighting the world, you're fighting yourself? We're inviting you to get deep with our free 7-day self-love challenge, Compliments of Zen.Ed Academy. Click the link to find out more and get started today. And now, on to the video. Living a spiritual life. Let's talk about living a true spiritual life. Through the journey of birth to death, we question this thing called life. We strive for improvement, we seek out knowledge, and search for the divine. Simply put, this, in and of itself, is the essence of spirituality. And as we begin to awaken to ourselves, we take an important step in awakening to our spiritual path. Our spiritual practice can take on many forms because embracing the spiritual is a very personal pursuit. Spirituality, to me, is the inner journey, while religion is the outward journey. The quest for the divine or oneness with the universe always springs from within because we are fundamentally spiritual beings, and the essence of that lies in knowing your true self and finding a peace that comes from inside rather than the outside. It is in awakening to this inner truth that we awaken to our personal path. The spiritual path is a way of being and a daily recommitment to reaffirm personal connection with a purposeful way of life. Practicing compassion, gratitude, forgiveness, generosity, meditation, and taking care of your well-being can all be a part of your spiritual life. If you're new to exploring your personal spirituality, know that this is a process, a lifestyle. You may want to spend a few moments each day nurturing this new way of being by trying a new form of meditation, contemplating the wonders of life itself, or exploring archetypes. Do that at morning coffee or tea, whenever you want. Accepting the importance of spirituality can be a healthy decision because a spiritual practice tends to include habits that promote healthy living from the inside out. Take time to find the things that speak to your soul, and you might be surprised to find that even the simple things that make up your life can be profound spiritual experiences as you begin to see the interconnectedness of all things. My take is that spirituality is whatever practice brings you more self-confidence, self-love, and self-trust. Just a reminder to take a moment and smash on that subscribe button, and don't forget to sign up for our free 7-day self-love challenge, Compliments of Zen.Ed Academy, where it has never been easier than right now to get comprehensive PhD-backed education to improve your life and level up your skills. Emotional processing, stronger intuition, self-trust, mediumship, tarot, self-growth, all of that just for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.